What's going on, guys? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day today. And in today's video, I want to talk about something I spoke about and I speak about often, this pocket strategy that I've kind of formed and tailored over the years. It's nothing special, it's nothing spectacular. It's just a form of, resistance, and once resistance breaks, what's the next level? And in regards to PayPal, we're going to break it down here and talk to you guys about it. But in regards to PayPal, we have this resistance right here after a significant sell-off. Okay, we have a significant sell-off. We pop up, fail to make a continuation play to get at least retest these highs, right? So we sell back down, coming in here, and we're coming to retest that level. To me, this level was vital. Why? Because we hit 78.60, we dropped down, and technically you essentially have a little bit of a double bottom here. But disregard that. Let's say you missed that. Now we're looking at this upside play of the 78.60. That's that resistance level what we failed to break above yesterday or last time. Then in yesterday's price action, we have a strong move closing above that resistance level, closing above the 50 moving average, and now we are in essentially a pocket. Okay, that pocket essentially means your next area of resistance is sitting at 89.40. So from 78.60, there's not much resistance, and actually you have a little bit of a gap fill here. So if I move this over, you can see there's a gap fill right here from 81.50 towards this 84. So that's your easy trade, right? That's going to be a nice pocket or nice gap fill that you can get involved in. Anyways, that's what I was paying attention to today. Okay. Now, with that said, if we jump into the hourly time frame, something else kind of brings this to my attention. All right, let's put the pre-market session up. All right, so now we know the daily has room to move. All right, now what are we forming here? We're essentially forming a flat top with good resistance at that 80.30 level, right here at that 80.30 level. That's kind of what I was paying attention to as well. I knew the daily had room to move. I knew we're above that 50 moving average. We've closed above that 78.60 vital area, and we're now putting in a flat top or a flag on the hourly time frame. Okay, so come the morning, all right, market is opening, and take a look at what happens. We penetrate this area 8:30 really quickly, and we start pushing. Okay, that's when I start getting involved in calls. As I'm seeing the flow coming in, there's lots of bullish flow coming, right? We have 61% overall on the day right now. But if we take a look at the morning, look at the first 5-10 minutes of the morning. You have lots of bullish activity coming in on those option contracts, right? For tomorrow's expiry. Guys, this is what I preach. Pattern, the chart has room to move, and we're looking for short-term out-of-the-money calls. Okay, we've got the pattern on the daily, we have the pattern on the hourly, we have the trigger level that breaks us out of that power pattern from the daily, and we get involved right here on these calls. I got involved at around 8:30, 80:30, which is around 9:32 a.m. And you can see the call is just coming in. The volume is increasing, lots of bullish activity, and take a look at right here. Over here is what gets interesting, right? You have 84 calls, 85 calls, 83 calls, 87 calls, 82 calls. All of them are getting volume out of the gates, and the price is sitting at around 80. This right here paid over 140% in less than 30 minutes, guys. This is how you prepare yourself to put yourself in a position to have successful trades. And that is exactly what we did today. It was a banger trade. We were pretty much done early on because so many of these setups were ready to trigger and break out, and a lot of them actually did, and look where we are. All right, guys, so again, prepare yourself. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. That's all it's about. You have to be able to understand where the chart is on the daily. Does it have room to move? What's the 1 hour? What's the 15 minute? What's the intraday time frames looking at? And once you're open, take a look at the flow. Wait for the confirmation. There's absolutely no reason why you could have missed this. The chart was good. The flow is extremely bullish. Take a look at this. It's all calls coming through. All of these calls right here are out of the money. They're all within 1 day expiry. They're all expiring tomorrow. Why? Why is this happening? Why are they buying all this and just, expecting this move for tomorrow's expiry? There's something got to be going on. Obviously, we spotted the pattern. We knew that squeeze was coming. And it did. And look at this insane volume that it got right here. All right, so hopefully you guys found some value in this. If you did, use this to your advantage, put it to use every single day, and let me know how you guys do. All right, make sure you guys go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because I'll always be posting videos for you guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.